guys, so I know I haven't been posting in a while, but today is going to be a new day to start doing vlogs or whatever to do. So yeah, I know I haven't been totally all together. I still trying to get my routine together with my new baby and everything. He's just sitting over there. And then my other one is sleeping in his own bed in the corner. And I've been just adapting to having a new baby around, having to feed him every 2 hours or so, and all that stuff. So in today's video, I will just be showing you, like, it's a little mini vlog basically. Sorry, I'm all over the place. It's like weird talking and filming because I haven't done it in so long, but I'll just do like a little mini vlog, take you around with me. I'll probably call this like the mommy vlogs or something cute, but something to start off and do something new. So if you want to see what goes on in today's video, then just keep on watching. Hi, baby. Stretch. Alright, so I just got changed and now I'm going to make me some breakfast since I haven't eaten yet. So let's put that down. Close it up, whatever. So I'm just gonna be making some eggs and cheese. Like so far. This one, because I work better with my right hand. Just gonna stir the eggs and the cheese. And no, this is not all the cheese that I put in. I love a lot of cheese in my eggs. I don't really like eggs, so I usually try and cover up the taste of eggs with like ham, cheese, cilantro, whatever else I can put in here, tomatoes, onions, but I just feel like a lot of cheese. So we'll just stir that around. Make sure it gets in the eggs. Oh, sauce are cheesy. Grab a little bit more cheese. And then we'll top it off after. And then I'll show you the final results of my eggs. And result. And my little munchkin over here is finally awake. You say hi? Can you not look so dead? Say hi. Say hi. And then this one, still sleeping. I put him in bed after he got fed. And now I'm going to eat, and I will see you all later. So I just got done eating, but now I'm so tired. I want to take a nap, but this one's awake.
Is that you?
It's you.
No.
So yeah, probably take a nap anyway, but yeah.
How are you?
So I don't even know what to do today. I started doing laundry because I need some clean clothes, need to wash the baby's clothes. Yes, sir. Can I help you? Can
Nope.
What do you want?
No.
So, yeah. What to do? No man over there is still sleeping. This one needs to sleep.
Boo-boo.
Your boo-boo?
Yep.
Yeah. So, probably might do makeup today, not sure. I need to start getting back into filming my makeup tutorials, but trying to balance out taking care of a newborn, a 2-year-old, and taking care of myself. It's kind of hard. But I will be doing story times of my pregnancies for 1 and 2, and then probably do another story time about something else. So just stay tuned for that coming soon. I hate having glasses. I swear I can't do anything. I ran out of contacts, so I need to go get some more contacts, but it's hard when you have kids. But it's okay. So yeah, I will keep posted what I do throughout the day. I still gotta figure out what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna think of something to do. Alright, bye. So I didn't feel like doing my makeup today, but I will do a tutorial coming soon. But there's too much going on right now with me doing laundry, taking care of my sons, and my 2-year-old running around being crazy. I can't really do my makeup right now, but I'll do it probably later on today and film a tutorial for you guys. So this will complete the mommy vlog for today. Hopefully I can do more vlogs for you guys and actually be outside of the house, but right now I'm just taking it day by day. I'm still recovering. I have my 6-week postpartum in 2 weeks, I believe, and then hopefully from there I can start exercising and doing all that and take you guys with me so you guys can see the weight loss I'm losing, because I am going to start trying to get back into shape and all that. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and as always I'll see you in the next one. Bye.